Well, I'm an idiot. I filmed with my iPhone in the wrong position for the whole video. What up? Good morning. Doing a little driving vlog today. We're in the, I think it's a 2000 Kenworth W900A. Just gonna show you guys the outside on the pre-inspection this morning, but we had to do some light fixing. What else is new with dump trucks? Fixing something every time, end of the day, beginning of the day. But anyways, gonna haul some Baro all day, 3-inch Baro. I think you guys will like this truck a lot. It's pretty cool. It's a sweet blue color. Here it is. W900A model. Pretty clean looking truck. It's got the paint matched frame. Can't really tell, it's so freaking dirty. This thing has been washed in who knows how long, but it's a pretty sweet looking truck. I mean, this isn't a show truck, but it looks sick for doing dirt work. I like the white top. I don't know, I think it looks kind of sweet. But yeah, it's dual stack, dual air cleaner. It's a good truck. The only thing I don't like about this truck is, first and foremost, airbags. I hate airbags on dirt trucks. We do a lot of off-road driving, and when you're empty, these things just, they suck. I think a Corolla would do better off-road than a freaking dump truck with airbags, but they're okay. You can still get the job done, but if you can get Chalmers or Hendrickson or Rayco or any sort of spring, metal spring suspension, they're 100 times better. Also, I'm not a huge fan of transfer beds. I just feel like they're kind of thin. They're not super heavy duty, but who knows? I'm not a pro. Other thing I don't like about this is, you see the spacing between the frame and the bottom of the bed? It's like 6-7 inches off the frame. I get why they do it. Well, I don't really get why they do it, but when this thing's freaking loaded and you have airbags and your bed is that high up, it is a tippy mofo. Kind of scary. I don't like that at all. On our truck, I'll take videos of our truck one day when I'm driving it, probably in a couple days. The bed sits way down. It's way lower center of gravity. It's got Rayco suspension, and it freaking turns like an F1 car. You can turn loaded and there's no roll. This thing, if you're driving behind me in this thing and you see me take a sharp turn, you think this thing's about to flip over on its side. It's really annoying. But anyways, this truck it's a sweet truck. I dig. It's in really good shape for, I mean, a dirt truck. Dirt trucks get hammered, but it's in good shape. The seat sucks. It's like rock hard, but could be worse. Dash is in good shape. It's a sweet truck. Wish I could film more driving, but it's not super safe, and I don't want to get pulled over, so most of the footage is stationary. But tell me what you guys like, what I can do better, what you'd like to see. But I'll try to get some more videos of this thing dumping. Also on this truck, I hate the dump controls. They're not labeled. And they're wicked loud. When you put down the high lift gate and the dog ears, listening to that all day will drive you insane. All right, that sun is pretty gnarly, so I'm gonna flip flip around the other way. It looks like they're loading.
Well, depending, if Mark comes back, and these the other guys, we may be down there the next round.
Turn the CB down so you can hear what I'm saying. Here's our 3-inch. This guy in front of me is getting loaded. Local guy, got a sick auto car. He's been around for a while. Look at that rainbow, that's a cool picture. Anyways, getting some 3-inch. I don't know if we'll be able to see him getting loaded, but we'll see. Alrighty. It's gonna load me up. I don't really want to get out right now because they might think I'm kind of weird, and a lot of pits don't like you getting out of the truck while you're getting loaded, but we'll get a little glimpse of it. When I get to where I'm dumping, I'll jump out and give you guys a walk around of the truck, the bed and the color and everything. It's a cool looking truck. A couple things I'm not too fond of, but overall it's a sick truck. It's not mine. My brother's supposed to be running with me today, but he's in our truck. We had something crazy happen. Our front rim, he noticed on the pre-inspection, was it was cracked in a bunch of spots. Kind of freaky, so he's going to get that swapped out. Don't skimp on your pre-inspections. They can save your life, so I'll try to get a picture of that so you guys can see that rim. It's pretty gnarly. I just got loaded for the second time today. Going kind of slow, especially with the little pit stop we had to show you guys the truck. So anyways, gonna pull on this scale, see how we are, see how heavy we are. I think this truck weighs, I don't know, 22,000 pounds empty. I think legally, by the book, this thing's really only good for, I don't know, 12 tons. Green means go, X means stop. Green means go. She weighed me in like 53,000 something pounds. I'll show you guys the ticket when I get back. I bet I'm around 13.5 tons, which is probably overweight for this 10-wheeler, but it's all right. It's a short haul. Don't call the DOT on me. I'm freaking way overweight. 14.92 tons. That's pretty heavy for this truck. Yeah, you need at least one drop axle to be running 15 tons. So, yeah, anyways, empty. It looks like this puppy weighs 23,500-ish. So, carrying 29,840 pounds on top of that. A little heavy, boys and girls. Got an issue with these guys, these horses here. You can just tell they're stuck up. They're clicky. They're all perfect, all shiny, same color, same look. But they're just telling me to move on. They don't want me part of their crew. Clicky SOBs. They want nothing to do with any of them cows. Yeah, whatever. Okay. This is what y'all came for, I know it. To see the dump truck dump a load. See the little backup skills here. Get her all backed up to where we need to go. It's kind of a little ledge right here with airbags. Let me tell you, if I go over, I ain't coming back. Pull the brake, put her in neutral, clutch in, whoops, PTO engage, dog ears, lift gate, clutch off, dumpy handle up. Oh, I can hear her going. How about a POV, whatever that is, personal view dumpage? I'm leaning past it right now. Welcome to airbags, my friends. There it is. Probably not the sight you wanted to see, not the angle, but I'm not getting out right now. Maybe next round. Don't forget to turn your PTO off. There's a little pro tip from a novice. Let's pull her on forward. Drop the bed at the same time. Coming down. You usually don't want to drive with your bed coming down. At least I don't like to in our truck, because I think it's pretty stressful on the ram and all the pins and bushings and bed and all that. It's a lot of leverage up in the air. All right. It's dumped, bed down. Pulling forward. Can't even see the pile. What a letdown, eh? Thumbs down this video. Just kidding, don't thumbs down this video. I need all the thumbs up I can get. But here's the best part. You guys want to hear how annoying this is? Get out of my way, dongle. Oh yeah. Just like a steam room, but not enjoyable. Yeah, who doesn't love that noise? You probably can't even hear it as loud as that. Oh my. Yep. Every time. Sucks. I don't know why they do that. Just route the exhaust out of the cab or something, or put some mufflers on it, or get some different freaking dump controls, man. Whatever. Could be worse. It could not come down. That would suck. Next one I'll try to get out. Give you a better position, or maybe our truck will be in rotation on this next round. I'll just film our truck dumping. But anyways, I know that's what you all came for. See the dump truck dump. How do I know? Because I was once you. I used to watch dump truck videos. I don't know, something satisfying about watching all the dirt slide out of the bed. Can't deny it. I can't deny it. It's a beautiful thing. I don't know what gear I'm in. High range thingies up. Probably, I don't know, like 6th gear or something. My splitter's in the low position. I'm a rolling 1200 RPMs. I don't even know if you can hear me, but I'll stomp on her. That's some serious acceleration. She's a quick girl. It's kind of addicting when you drive it. You just want to constantly shift gears and split and feel all trucky and cool, and I don't know, talk on your CB a little bit. You know, all the good trucker stuff. Sip your big gulp, whatever. Not sip the freaking Trickster coffee. But there it is. Woo! Woo! Might even be faster than your neighbor's WRX. Who knows? Cobb tuned and all. I don't know. If I had to guess straight up, I bet this thing's like 550. I could be way off. I'm not a dyno. That's my dyno right there. 400 horse, 500. Woo! Could have been 600 on that pole. No idea, but this thing is fast. I've driven a lot of motors, ISX, DD16, 60 series Detroit, the older ones, Our truck's got a mechanical N14. Driven electronic N14. 3406B model. That's what our old truck had. This thing just walks all over them. I don't know what it is. Probably like the 18 speed paired up with the 3406E. I don't know. I mean, I've driven a C15 as well, the twin turbo version. That thing was quick, but this one feels quicker. Who knows? It could be all in my head. Or maybe the color. Maybe the color makes her feel faster. Woo! I don't know. You guys tell me. What's the 3406E capable of? 9 million horse? I wouldn't doubt it. Well, look who it is. Look who we intercepted. Our Kenworth. I'm gonna catch up so you can get a good look of this rear end. He goes slow, so it's not hard to catch him. He's like a second gear idle type of dude. Not a bad looking back end for a dump truck. That's our 92 W900. I don't know if it's A or B. I think I've been wrong the whole time on this blue Kenworth. A or B. I think it's an A, but I don't know what ours is. B, A, who knows. It's got a sweet rock bed though. It sits way lower. That thing will hold 15 tons, dual stacked. Just for looks. It's all about looks and trucking, right? Who cares how much money you make? It's all about how much chrome and how sick your truck looks. And all your little switchy extenders with the jewels on the end. That's what it's all about. That's why we drive truck. We don't make money driving truck. Woo! Look at that profile. Good looking girl. She's actually what we call a 50-foot fake out. From 50 feet, she looks pretty sweet. Get a little closer, you see a couple of cracks here, a couple of paint chips there. By the time you're up close, ready to get personal with her, you realize she's not as pretty as she was 50 feet away. I'll get this truck dumping. It's easier to film him dumping than to film mine. It's easy. I gotta stay in this truck when you dump this one, but it's a sweet truck. That's our truck. Here he goes. Cummins, can you tell? It sounds like a spray paint rattling can. The mothership. You're there. He's there. Oh yeah. Best view in-house. If you ever want to know what 15 tons of 3-inch granular borrow looks like dumped, check it off your bucket list, folks. What a dump. I give him an A+.